They say that a person's home is a reflection of their mind. If that's true, then a clean, well-organized home isn't just about tidiness. It's about clarity, comfort, and peace. It's about creating a space where you can move freely, breathe easily, and feel a sense of control over your surroundings. But let's be honest, keeping a home in order isn't always easy, especially as the years go by. Tasks that once seemed simple may now feel a bit more challenging. But here's the good news. Maintaining a clean home doesn't have to be a struggle. The key isn't in working harder, it's in working smarter. With the right approach, you can keep your home in great shape without exhausting yourself. A clean home is more than just a pleasant sight. It keeps you safe by reducing fall hazards, promotes better health by cutting down on allergens, and improves mental well-being by eliminating the stress that clutter and mess can bring. Studies have shown that people who live in organized spaces experience lower levels of anxiety and higher levels of happiness. Simply put, a tidy home nurtures a calm mind. And here's something else to think about. Every little effort you make to keep your home clean adds up. A few small habits practiced daily can prevent overwhelming chores down the road. Whether it's wiping down a countertop after use, decluttering just one small area at a time, or taking advantage of modern cleaning tools, each action contributes to a home that feels welcoming and under control. So today, we're going to walk through practical, effective cleaning strategies designed specifically for seniors. No unnecessary complexity, no unrealistic demands, just simple, proven methods to help you maintain a home that supports your health, safety, and happiness. Develop a simplified cleaning routine. If there's one thing that makes cleaning easier, it's consistency. The secret isn't in waiting until things pile up and then exhausting yourself trying to fix the mess. It's in making small, simple actions a part of your daily rhythm. Think of it like tending a garden. A little care each day keeps everything flourishing, while neglect leads to overgrowth that's far harder to manage. Start with your morning. The very first thing you should do after getting out of bed is make it. It takes less than a minute, yet it instantly sets a tone of order and discipline for the day. There's a reason successful people swear by this habit. Navy Admiral William McRaven once said, "If you make your bed every morning, you will have accomplished the first task of the day." And he's right. That small victory builds momentum, making it easier to tackle other tasks. After breakfast, don't leave the kitchen in disarray. Wipe down the counters, put away any dishes, and make sure your sink is clear before moving on with your day. A sink full of dishes is like an invitation for stress. It sits there, nagging at you, draining your energy. But a clean sink, that's a fresh start every single time you walk into the kitchen. In the bathroom, don't let dirt and grime build up. Get into the habit of wiping down surfaces after use. A quick swipe of the sink and faucet takes seconds but keeps everything fresh. The same goes for mirrors. Give them a light wipe when you see spots. Now, let's talk about a weekly routine. Instead of overwhelming yourself with deep cleaning marathons, spread tasks throughout the week. Choose one day to vacuum or sweep the high traffic areas, another to focus on the bathroom, and another for laundry. This way, no single day feels exhausting, and your home stays consistently fresh. And here's a game changer. Use a portable cleaning caddy. Load it with your essential supplies, multi-purpose cleaner, microfiber cloths, a scrub brush, and carry it from room to room. This eliminates the frustration of searching for cleaning products and makes the process seamless. By building these small habits into your daily and weekly routine, cleaning stops feeling like a burden. It becomes second nature, just part of how you care for your space and ultimately yourself. Time-saving cleaning techniques. Cleaning smarter, not harder, is the golden rule. Too many people waste time repeating work or scrubbing endlessly when a small shift in technique could save them effort. The right methods make all the difference, and when applied consistently, they turn cleaning into a smooth, almost effortless process. First, always clean from top to bottom. This is one of the simplest yet most effective rules. Dust and dirt settle downward, so if you start by cleaning the floor and then dust a shelf, you'll just dirty the floor again. Instead, begin with higher surfaces like shelves, counters, or tables, then work your way down to furniture and finally the floors. This prevents unnecessary repetition and makes each step count. Another trick? Let your cleaning products do the work for you. Too often, people spray a cleaner and immediately start scrubbing, wearing themselves out. Instead, spray the product and walk away. Give it time to break down dirt and grime. After a few minutes, a simple wipe will remove most of the mess with minimal effort. Think of it like soaking a dirty pan. Letting the water do its magic makes scrubbing almost unnecessary. And here's a habit that saves you more time than you realize. Clean as you go. Spills, crumbs, and small messes become bigger problems when left unattended. Wipe up spills immediately. If you notice dust accumulating on a surface, run a cloth over it before it becomes noticeable buildup. These tiny actions take seconds, but save you from deep cleaning sessions later. The bottom line? Time-saving cleaning isn't about cutting corners, it's about making each action more efficient. Once you embrace these techniques, you'll find that keeping a clean home requires far less energy than you ever thought possible. Maintain an organized living space. A clean home isn't just about wiping surfaces and vacuuming floors, it's about organization. Clutter is one of the biggest obstacles to maintaining a tidy home. The more unnecessary items you have, the more there is to clean, manage, and work around. The key is owning only what serves you and having a designated place for everything. Start by decluttering. Pick one small area at a time, a drawer, a shelf, or a single corner of a room. Ask yourself, do I use this? Do I need this? Does this add value to my life? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Decluttering isn't about throwing everything away, it's about keeping what truly matters. Next, assign a specific place for every item in your home. When everything has a home, clutter doesn't pile up. Keys should have a designated spot. Papers should be stored in one place, not scattered across tables and counters. Even remote controls should always return to the same place. This one habit saves time and eliminates frustration. You'll never waste minutes searching for misplaced items again. Now, let's talk about a junk basket, a simple but powerful tool. Life happens, and sometimes things don't get put away immediately. Instead of letting clutter spread, place stray items in a designated basket and empty it regularly. This keeps your home looking neat, even when you're in a rush. A well-organized space doesn't just look better, it reduces stress, saves time, and makes everyday life smoother. When you simplify your belongings and establish order, cleaning becomes easier, and your home transforms into a place of true relaxation. Incorporate cleaning into daily activities. One of the simplest ways to keep your home clean without feeling overwhelmed is to weave cleaning into your everyday routine. Instead of setting aside long, exhausting hours for housework, pair cleaning with tasks you're already doing. This approach makes cleaning feel effortless, almost automatic. Start with the bathroom. After brushing your teeth in the morning, take a few seconds to wipe down the sink and faucet. Toothpaste splatters and water spots add up over time, but a quick daily swipe keeps your sink spotless without ever needing deep scrubbing. In the kitchen, use idle time wisely. While waiting for your coffee to brew or food to cook, take a moment to wipe down counters, put dishes away, or sweep the floor. These small tasks fit seamlessly into your routine, so you never feel like you're adding extra chores to your day. Now, let's talk about the 5-minute nighttime cleanup. A game changer for keeping your home consistently tidy. Before bed, take just 5 minutes to walk through the main areas of your home and do a quick reset. Straighten up pillows, clear surfaces, and put away anything left out. This brief habit prevents clutter from building up, making your mornings feel fresher and your home more inviting. By incorporating cleaning into daily activities, you eliminate the need for exhausting cleaning marathons. Instead, maintaining a clean home becomes second nature, just a part of how you move through your day. Use technology and cleaning tools. In today's world, cleaning doesn't have to be as physically demanding as it once was. Technology can take some of the work off your shoulders, allowing you to maintain a clean home with far less effort. The key is knowing which tools are worth investing in and using them effectively. One of the best modern conveniences is the robot vacuum. These little machines can sweep and vacuum your floors while you go about your day. They're especially useful for seniors who find vacuuming tiring or difficult to do regularly. Set it to run at a scheduled time each day, and it will quietly keep your floors free of dust, crumbs, and pet hair. Next, consider an air purifier. You might not think of it as a cleaning tool, but it plays a huge role in reducing dust, allergens, and airborne particles. With an air purifier running, there's less dust settling on your furniture, meaning less frequent dusting. Plus, cleaner air makes for a healthier home, especially for those with allergies or respiratory concerns. For those who struggle with scrubbing, electric spin scrubbers can make cleaning tubs, showers, and tiles easier by doing the hard work for you. No more bending and scrubbing for minutes on end. Just let the spinning brush do the job. Technology exists to make life easier. Take advantage of these tools, and you'll spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your home. Implement preventive measures. The easiest mess to clean is the one that never happens in the first place. Prevention is the smartest cleaning strategy, saving you time and effort before dirt, dust, and clutter take over. A few simple habits can drastically cut down on the amount of cleaning you need to do. First, keep shoes at the door. The soles of your shoes carry dust, dirt, and bacteria from the outside world into your home. A simple rule, taking off your shoes when you enter, will keep your floors cleaner for longer. Place a sturdy mat by the door and have a designated spot for shoes. If you prefer wearing something indoors, use a pair of comfortable house slippers. Next, use doormats inside and outside your entrances. These mats act as a first line of defense, trapping dirt before it gets tracked into your home. Shake them out or vacuum them regularly to keep them effective. Another helpful habit, cover high mess areas. Use liners in your fridge and drawers to catch spills and crumbs, making cleanup as simple as swapping them out instead of scrubbing. Place a tray under houseplants to prevent water stains. Small adjustments like these reduce the need for constant deep cleaning. By taking these preventive steps, you stop dirt and clutter before they spread, making cleaning a far less demanding task. Simplify cleaning supplies. Having too many cleaning products can create more clutter than cleanliness. Streamline your supplies by using a few high-quality, multi-purpose cleaners instead of a cabinet full of specialized products. A good all-purpose cleaner can handle most surfaces, from kitchen counters to bathroom sinks. Instead of keeping separate sprays for glass, tile, and wood, look for a single product that can tackle multiple tasks. This reduces clutter and makes cleaning more efficient. Microfiber cloths are another game changer. They trap dust and dirt better than paper towels, require less cleaning solution, and can be washed and reused, saving money over time. Keep a few in different areas of your home so they're always within reach. For freshening the air and removing odors, baking soda and vinegar are natural, inexpensive alternatives to chemical-heavy air fresheners. Baking soda absorbs odors, while vinegar cuts through grease and grime. By simplifying your supplies, you reduce decision fatigue, save storage space, and make cleaning quicker and easier. A clean and organized home is more than just a pleasant space. It's a foundation for a safer, healthier, and more peaceful life. The secret isn't in spending hours scrubbing and tidying, but in developing simple, smart habits that keep your home effortlessly maintained. By following a structured routine, using time-saving techniques, and preventing messes before they happen, you make cleaning easier and less overwhelming. Small daily efforts, like making your bed, wiping surfaces as you go, and keeping clutter at bay, create a lasting sense of order and comfort. Take advantage of modern tools and technology, from robot vacuums to air purifiers, to reduce the workload. Simplify your cleaning supplies so you have what you need without excess clutter. And most importantly, embrace cleaning as a form of self-care, because a well-kept home is a space where you can truly relax, recharge, and enjoy life. With these strategies, you're not just cleaning, you're creating a home that supports your well-being and independence. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the comfort of a clean and stress-free living space.